Improving your home's energy efficiency isn't just good for the planet. It's one of the smartest ways to save money every single month. From lighting to insulation to smart technology, small upgrades can lead to big savings over time. Here's how to make your home more energy efficient without breaking the bank. Let's start with lighting. Replace old incandescent bulbs with LED bulbs. LEDs use up to 80% less energy and last more than 10 times longer. They come in a range of brightness and color tones, so you can match the feel of your space perfectly. Next, focus on heating and cooling, since they make up nearly half of your energy bill. Check your air filters every 1 to 3 months. Clogged filters force your HVAC system to work harder, wasting energy. Use a programmable or smart thermostat to automatically adjust temperatures when you're asleep or away. Even a small adjustment, like lowering the heat by 2 degrees, can save you up to 10% a year. Proper insulation and sealing are also key. Add weather stripping to doors and windows to stop drafts, and seal gaps with caulk or expanding foam. In attics and basements, make sure insulation levels meet current energy standards. These upgrades keep your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer, reducing the need for constant temperature adjustments. If your home has old appliances, consider upgrading to Energy Star-rated models. These appliances use far less electricity and water while performing just as well. Refrigerators, washing machines, and dishwashers are among the biggest energy users. Modern replacements can cut consumption dramatically. Water heating is another hidden cost. Set your water heater temperature to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. It's hot enough for daily use, but saves energy and reduces wear on the heater. Insulating your water heater and hot water pipes also helps retain heat longer. Let's talk about smart home technology. Smart plugs and power strips can automatically cut power to devices when they're not in use, eliminating phantom energy drain. Smart thermostats and lighting systems let you control usage remotely, making it easy to manage your home's energy even when you're away. For windows, consider installing thermal curtains or solar shades. These block heat in the summer and retain warmth in the winter. If you're ready for a bigger investment, double pane or low E windows can significantly improve efficiency and comfort. In your kitchen, small habits go a long way. Use lids when boiling water, run dishwashers only when full, and air dry dishes instead of using the heat dry setting. In the laundry room, wash clothes in cold water and clean the lint filter before every dryer cycle. If you're looking for long-term savings, think about renewable energy options like solar panels. Many areas offer tax credits or rebates, and over time, solar can reduce or even eliminate your energy bills. Lastly, monitor your energy use. Many utility companies offer online tools that show how much power you use each day. Tracking it helps you identify which changes are making the biggest impact. Energy efficiency upgrades don't have to be complicated. It's about making smart, consistent improvements. Each small change adds up, and over the course of a year, you'll see the difference in your comfort and your wallet.